How can I call a function within a class? I have this code which calculates the distance between two coordinates. The two functions are both within the same class. However, how do I call the function just a point and the function is near?
Since these are member functions, call it as a member function on the instance, self.
That doesn't work because distTopPoint is inside your class, so you need to prefix it with a class name if you want to refer to it, like this, classname.distTopPointSelf, p. You shouldn't do it like that, though. A better way to do it is to refer to the method directly through the class instance, which is the first argument of a class method, like so, self.distTopPointP.
In the op, distTopPoint and isNear are both instance methods and as such, both take a reference to an instance, usually named self, as its first argument. When an instance method called directly from the instance, the reference is passed implicitly, so works. If you want to call an overridden parent method from the child class, then // should be used. In the following example, greet method is defined in both parent and child classes, and if you want to call parents greet, the prescribed way is via super, i.e. super.greet. It's also possible to do it via the class name, i.e. parent.greetSelf, but there are many arguments against such hardcoding in favor of super, such as flexibility, the ability to use method resolution order correctly, etc.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.